So yesterday we posted a little video of the window motor getting rebuilt, and now we've got the window motor back in. We got the regulator all cleaned up and taken care of. So let's see what happens. Wow, look at that. That's the down. Not too bad for a 40-year-old car. And here's the up. Excellent. And it's all new seals, so it'll actually get a little bit faster as those seals wear in. So thanks for following along on our driver window motor repair, and regulator too had to be really cleaned up and greased all the pivot points and cleaned out all the old junk. So thanks for following along. We hope you enjoyed this little endeavor, and next time, who knows, maybe we'll be putting a headliner in. Check us out at BreitWerks.com.